Hey Moon Babes, welcome back to my channel. I know this has been a highly requested video and I'm finally getting to editing it. Today I will be showing you guys how I take high-waisted jeans that I got from Goodwill and turn them into high-waisted shorts. Now these are Wranglers. These are men's sizes in a size 42 so that they're comfy on my thighs but a little oversized on my waist, which is fine. These were about $7 and some change. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab a white pencil and I'm just going to draw where I want to cut the shorts. Now I like my shorts going up at an angle, so that's what you're gonna see is the bottom of the shorts or the bottom of the pants being down and the top of them going upwards in a curve. After that's done, I'm going to start cutting. I was cutting with extremely dull scissors and it made this a lot harder than it had to be. So do yourself a favor and cut with some nice strong scissors. If you're not sure where to get some, Michael's has some amazing scissors and they always have 50% off coupons. So do yourself a favor and save yourself from all this extra work. And here's how the shorts turned out. If you're more conservative with how you like your shorts, this is a great way or a great part to stop in. I like my shorts a little bit shorter, so what I'm going to do is cut off some extra material in the front and leave the longer material in the back. That way I can have the shortness I want without showing my whole butt. So here's how the shorts are looking after I cut off the extra material in the front. They're a lot shorter, which is fine for me. I'm comfortable with that, and they're long in the back. That way I feel comfortable bending over, tying my shoes, things like that. I don't like that little level chain, so I'm gonna kind of smooth it out, but because my scissors are so dull, it's kind of hard. So if you have dull scissors, you can always mark off where you want to cut your extra fabric and just kind of smooth it out until it kind of has a smooth enough little curve going on. I'm lazy and my scissors are dull, but this is more or less how the shorts are looking. I'm really happy with them so far. And I also bought a little scarf from Goodwill. I thought it'd be cute to kind of pair these up, a very like summery vibe. This is something I would wear to the beach or to a lake if I live by lakes, but I don't, so I won't be going to one. But yeah, this is how I just styled the shorts. I put on some rings and some hooped earrings and something really simple. I didn't realize making like an outfit video like this was so awkward. I feel really awkward on camera and I hope y'all feel awkward watching me on camera, but I promise I'll get better. But this is more or less it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know this video has been asked for a couple of times, so I'm happy to finally have it out to you guys. And yeah, I want y'all to know, as cute as I may look right now, I look like a snack. It was hot. It was so hot, like my actual wig glue was melting off, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Just, oof, a mess. Anyways, as always, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.